When I first came, I've been a very warm welcome in the club, and since I'm enjoying my time. So I met Barry, who is in charge of the education at the club, and he asked me if I wanted to be a part of the project, to speak with the kids and come at the mosque and show what the diversity means. I think with the media, generally Muslims have a bad publicity, but I think it's good for them now to come and to see what we do, how we behave, how we live, why we pray, how we pray, and to have the chance to speak with with the imam, so they can understand our religion, if they can understand if they've got maybe a Muslim player around them, understand how his behavior is probably a bit different than them. I think because we've got the chance to practice a sport where everyone could play, doesn't matter your nationality, your religion, your color, your background or anything like this. So if we bring people from the community to share some time and some sports with others, I think it's unbelievable, and we should push to do it.